edge of the door to the center. Because it's residential, it only comes with the short screws. And because I've been using this so much, but also on the job sites. It's funny, the commercial grade, or what I call a locksmith or contractor boxes, comes with the 2 short screws, but also comes with the 2 longer screws. Because a lot of times these things are chewed out. So put your bolt in, and because this one is a home big box store, it doesn't have up on it, which is interesting. And it doesn't have the longer screws, but I'll put that on. Now only snug, not over tight. I would recommend key out, bolt out. This one goes together idiot proof. So this plate is in here. It's kind of almost what I would call in the old days an ice pick, but I don't know if it's, I think it's just a spacer. I don't know. So maybe if you got a, whatever. It fits in, you know, nicely. It fits pretty flush. Oops, and remember, bolt out, key not in your lock, key aimed up, or you know, keyway up. There we go. Seems to fit flush, so it's not a problem. And I don't know why it has the secondary plate. Sometimes it's a fire code. I don't know why we have this. Now this does say up, so we know that's up. No problem. So we, again, just start it. Don't cross thread them. Easy to cross thread. Just snug. Don't have to go crazy on it. You can actually set my screwdriver if I want. There we go. Let's try the key. So pretty basic. Again, we know it's the Smartkey lock. They can be picked. I've had beginners, I've come up to these and picked them right away, and I've had other ones I've never been able to pick. There's so many other ways of getting through it. There's lots of ways of defeating this lock. We're going to have a whole series. So this is just an overview, you know, simple. Make sure key goes in, lock it, key comes out. Now to reset this lock is very, very simple. We have to have another Kwikset key, and it has to be the depths between 1 and 6. So we put the key in, turn it, what do you call that, 4 to 3? So, or horizontal. And then you can take your reset tool, and they sell some fancy ones. You can make them. I can use a pick sometimes, but I like this, I put it on my keychain. I can feel it springy. Now this is to reset it. Horizontal. Now don't twist the key, pull it straight out. Don't twist. If you twist, then we got other problems. I'll show you how to fix it if you twist it. You put the new key in. So there we go. This is the new key, it's been reset. Here's the old set of keys. And it doesn't work. We get so many calls because the customers have tried to do this, they screw it up. I'll show you how to use the cradle to set it. There's some other methods to set it. We're going to take these apart so you can see what they're like, and I'll have the different generations of them. You can compare from the plastic days to what we have now. I have boxes of these things, a bucket full of malfunctioned one. They're great for business. And we'll show you the different ways of picking these open and drilling them and everything. Now, I'll just show you this. We'll come back to this. So stay tuned. Please join the membership site, and you too can learn all the different ways of bypassing the smart key, or as I call them, the dumb key locks. Now, I'm going to show some older ones, but let's see. Now, here, these things just pop off, and they always have. But look what they've done now. That's a piece of hard plate. Because what we were doing is, we'll show you in the videos, but now they put hard plate on there to slow us down. But, and in theory, there's a bigger, this should be the square sidebar, and there's a ball bearing in there. So we'll show all the different methods. Please join our membership site. This is the Kwikset. And now they put hard plate. So they're trying to improve it, but we still got 10 ways of defeating this thing, and that's not going to slow us down. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please join our membership site. It's our YouTube Mr. Locksmith membership site, and you can see I post the videos there first, and I post a lot of videos that I don't post on the public. They're just for our members only. Some of the bypass methods, defeat methods, drilling the locks, picking the locks, and talk about the business of locksmithing and some of the in-depth on the social media, etc. So please join my membership site.